Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce Mynt. Mynt is a tokenization as a service platform for the economy of the future. So a little bit about me. My name is Frank Gia. I'm a final year engineering physics student at the University of British Columbia in Vancouver, Canada. I've interned as a software engineer for companies such as SAP Concur, Shopify, and Redfin. For this project, I wanted to explore the opportunities of blockchain to power digital commerce. I do believe that blockchain is more than just Bitcoin. It introduces the concept of digital scarcity. So as a possible application, it has the power to create the future of the creator economy. It can enable the creation of private digital economies and, of course, introducing truly global finance by transcending geopolitical boundaries. So the question was, how do we capture the future of commerce? Because I do believe that the next era of the global economy relies on a seamless gateway between digital tokens and traditional fiat currencies. The answer is Mynt, and Mynt is a tokenization as a service platform that relies on three key pillars. One being the one-click issuing of both fungible and non-fungible tokens. The second being that seamless global fiat gateway. And the third being flexible enough for creating and powering both public and private token economies. So Mint would not be possible without these two key platforms, one being Rapid, and Rapid is a global payment solution that supports hundreds of countries. The second platform being Lisk, and Lisk is a very flexible build your own blockchain solution with inherent support for NFTs and cross-chain compatibility. Ultimately, Mint is a backend service that is meant to be the backbone of a tokenized economy. I've created an example application, and this being a creator marketplace. These are important for a variety of reasons. We can now enable creators, whether they be content creators or artists, to reach out to their fans to fund their content instead of relying on getting a record label deal or relying on a film production company picking up their piece. In this application, creators can create their own branded token and sell these tokens to their fans for fiat currency. Token holders can then redeem these tokens for things in the future, such as limited edition content and meet and greet. So you're essentially investing in the future of these content creators. In this specific application, the token is destroyed when redeemed, and that enforces that concept of digital scarcity. But of course, with the flexibility of the Lisk protocol, that does not have to be the case. Let's jump right into the demo. In this demo, I am impersonating a YouTube content creator. I specialize in content centered around software development and engineering. And so, of course, I lack the budget to create these videos, and I'm looking to get funding from my fans. So looking at my current wallet balance, I have no money. But if I go to my wallet, my tokenized wallet, I can go ahead and create a symbol for myself. I'm going to name it FJ Tech 21, give it a longer display name, and let's say I want to issue 10,000 of these tokens. So I can go ahead and create this token. You see that it was created successfully. And so within the block time of 10 seconds, we see that there is a transaction to create this user token. And this is the Lisk dashboard that tracks all the different transactions. I can now see that I do have that initial balance of 10,000 tokens. So I will now create a sale. So I can sell these to my fans. I will say that they cost $5 each, and I want to sell all of these tokens. I'll give it a little description to say what these tokens are for. I want to fund my YouTube production budget, and I can potentially host meet and greets and exclusive content. So I'll go ahead and create this token sale. Go ahead and view it. And of course, because it is hosted by me, I cannot buy my own token. But if we do go back to that dashboard and I can switch my user to another user, going back to the token page, I do see that for my linked bank accounts, I can purchase these tokens with my Rapid wallet or any linked fiat payment method. So I'll use my Rapid wallet. I'm going to buy 50 of these tokens to help support Frank. I can go ahead, purchase now. And we see that this was successful. So this will actually take money out of my wallet and enable a transfer asset transaction for the Lisk blockchain. Now going to the Rapid dashboard, you see that if I refresh the page, we do see a transaction for $250. So that $250 is now in the bank account of Frank Gia, the content creator. And so if we go back to Frank Gia as a user, we see that we can now go ahead and withdraw these funds, and I can use these funds to create YouTube videos. And I do have a linked withdrawal method. I do want to withdraw all $250. I am going to issue a withdrawal, and this is of course powered by Rapid. I will see that a transaction to disperse my funds of $250 was completed. Going back to my wallet, I can now sometime in the future create a token redemption. So let's say I am free for a meet and greet and I want to allow my fans to redeem their tokens for an opportunity for this meet and greet. I'm going to give it a short description. Let's say they can grab coffee with me in the Yaletown area. I can create this redemption and go ahead and view it. So of course this is hosted by me, so I can't redeem my own redemption. But if we switch that user, this user does have 50 of my tokens. So I can go to the redemption. This user can then redeem their tokens for this meet and greet. You'll see that the available quantity in the background has changed and this redemption was successful. Going back to the list dashboard, you'll see that we have another transfer transaction that signifies the redemption. So that token actually goes back to the token issuer and gets destroyed. So if we go back, you'll see that I now only have 49 of these tokens. And if I go to the wallet to see the available supply, that supply has decreased because by redeeming this token, I've actually destroyed it, which of course enforces that concept of digital scarcity. Although with the Lisk blockchain, that does not have to be the case. Thank you. So I hope that demo was insightful and enjoyable. Circling back to Mynt as a tokenization as a service platform, I do hope that it has the potential to form the backbone of a tokenized economy that can interact with the traditional fiat world. There are several applications of Mynt, one of course being a global platform that allows anyone to call the API to create a token or call the API to transact in these tokens and to transact in traditional fiat currencies. The second being the ability to take this technology and give it to companies for them to host their own private blockchain solutions. This can, of course, be applied to things like customer loyalty programs or internal corporate economies if you want your employees to, for example, redeem tokens for a specific reward. And the third, of course, the possibility to extend Mynt to help support decentralized finance, to help enable a seamless gateway into these decentralized economies without the high barrier to adoption that we currently see. Thank you very much. I hope that you've enjoyed this presentation. I look forward to working with both Lisk and Rapid to make this a possibility.